update on the equity markets. Nifty opened flat today and thereafter it traded in a sideways manner for most part of the day. It was during the last half an hour of the trading session that the Nifty saw a sharp sell-off, and the Nifty ended the day with a 29-point cut in today's trading session. The advance decline ratio was negative with 600 advances to 932 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, M&M, SBI and ICICI Bank were some of the major losers today, while Axis, TCS, Kotak managed to close in the positive today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the negative for the third consecutive day in a row. However, it is trading above the crucial support of the 20-day simple moving average, which is placed at 7480. 7480 is also the previous swing low. So these are the crucial supports for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. The daily momentum indicator still has a negative crossover. So that is why we feel that we are not getting that momentum for the Nifty on the upside. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we can observe that for most part of the day the Nifty traded in a sideways manner. Last half an hour we saw a sharp correction. The 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which are placed at 7555 and 7554 respectively, are facing crucial resistances, and the Nifty has been unable to surpass that in last 3-4 trading sessions. Now these hourly moving averages are acting as a crucial resistance. So if and only if the Nifty manages to sustain above these crucial resistances, traders should think of initiating longs on Nifty in the coming trading sessions. The intraday volatility is such high that any good stop loss is also being hit on the downside or on the upside. So traders are advised to be cautious and trade cautiously in Nifty. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we can observe that since past 1 month, almost 1 month, it has been trading in a sideways manner. Our sense is that though the Nifty is trading though the Bank Nifty is trading in a sideways manner, banking stocks have been doing their respective corrections and have reached their 20 or 40 daily moving averages or crucial swing supports. Which means that the Bank Nifty is at a crucial juncture at this point of time, and considering the fact that most of the banking stocks have done their correction or have reached their crucial supports, now we feel that the Bank Nifty should continue its upward momentum after a 1 month sideways consolidation on the upside. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 14,850 and 14,700 odd levels. On the upside, 15,234, which is a 20-day simple moving average of Bank Nifty, and 15,461 are crucial resistances for the Bank Nifty in the coming trading session. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive till 7433, which is our stop loss, which is the high of wave 1 is not touched or it is not overlapped. Till then we maintain our short-term bias up with a target of 7740 on the upside. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 7480 and 7271. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 7480 and 7433. On the upside, crucial resistance is placed at 7555 and 7600. That's all for the day. Thank you.